In this video, I'm gonna show you how to lower your ping and fix lag in Fortnite, so make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all of the steps. So let's start. The first step is to click on the link in the description and download NoPink. Once you click on the link, this website should open up. What you want to do now is just click on install NoPink and it should start downloading. Once it's done, just click on it, click on yes, click on next, accept the terms, next again, next, install, and wait for it to finish. Once you're done with the installation, just click on finish, click on no. Once you download NoPink, just open it up, so double click on it, click on yes, and wait for it to open. While you're waiting, open up Fortnite. And now once NoPink is opened, what you want to do is just click on register now or test it free. I'm gonna be giving away 15 free trial keys for 7 days, so if you want one, just comment NoPink down below and I'll send you one. Once you register, what you want to do is just log in into NoPink, and now once you're logged in, click on search for a game and type Fortnite, click on Fortnite and click on select the server. Okay, so once you're here, what you want to do is just go ahead and select other servers from the list. And now choose the country that is near you. So for example, I live near Germany where Fortnite has its servers. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on Germany, expand it. And now as you can see, there are 5 servers in Frankfurt, Germany. So I'm gonna select the one with the lowest ping. So go ahead, click on the first one, click on optimize this game. And now click on the refresh button right here. And as you can see, the ping is loading up. So I get 41 ms in Frankfurt 1 server, 41 ms Frankfurt 3, Frankfurt 2, Frankfurt 4, 41 ms, and Frankfurt 5, 45 ms. As you can see, I could get 192 ms in Japan, Netherlands 45 ms, etc. So you get my point. Now what you want to do is just select the server that is the closest to you, on which you get the lowest ms, and just select it. Once you select it, click on optimize the game, and once you click on optimize, your game should be optimized and your ping should be fixed. So basically this is a really cool and useful app, and it's really easy to use, so I would advise you to at least try it out because it will really help you. Once you're done, you can just minimize the NoPink application and you can just play Fortnite now. Now let's go ahead and optimize your PC for ping. So basically what you want to do now is just click on the search bar and type reg edit. And open the registry editor, click on yes. And once you open it, what you want to do is click on the arrow next to HK local machine. Click on the arrow next to software. Click on the arrow next to Microsoft. Now click on the arrow next to Windows NT, which should be somewhere around the bottom of the list. And if you don't know where I'm at, this is you can find my location in this line. So as you can see, computer, HK local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows NT. Now expand the current version folder. Go ahead and find the multimedia folder and expand that as well. Okay, so there it is. I'm gonna expand it. And now what you want to do is click on system profile, and you should see network throttling index somewhere in here. What you want to do is just double click on it and set the value data to 8Fs. So make sure that they are all capital. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8Fs in the value data. Once you're done, just click on OK. Now what you want to do is go back to the local machine folder, and now expand the local machine folder. Now what you want to do is expand the system folder, expand the current control set folder, expand the services folder, and now go ahead and find the TCP IP folder. Okay, so there it is. Now what you want to do is expand it as well. Expand the parameters folder. Expand the interfaces folder. And now as you can see, there are a lot of folders in here. What you want to do is just click on the one with the most amount of files in it. So it should be okay, so it should be this one, but let's see. Yeah, it's that one. So for me it's the fifth one. As you can see, there are a lot of files, and what you want to do now here is right click on it, click on new, and click on the word 32-bit value. Now rename it and type TCP ACK capital F frequency. Okay, so it should be TCP frequency. Make sure that the name is exactly the same as this one. Once you're done, just click on enter, and now double click on it and set the value data to 1. Click on OK, and now right click in the folder again, click on new, click on the word 32-bit value and name it TCP no delay. Make sure that the N and D are capital letters and the TCP as well. Once you name it, click on enter, open it up by double clicking on it and set the value data to 1 as well. And click on OK. Now what you want to do is go back to the local machine folder, which is at the top. Expand it, click on software. Now what you want to do is expand the Microsoft folder again and go ahead and find the MSMQ folder. Okay, so here it is. As you can see, I already have this folder, but if you don't have it, then what you want to do is just go ahead and instead of expanding Microsoft, what you want to do is just click on it, right click on it, click on new, click on key, and it will create a new key like this one. What you want to do now is just click on rename and rename it into MSMQ. I'm just gonna delete this because I don't need it. And if you already have an MSMQ folder or after you created one, what you want to do is just click on it, right click somewhere in it, click on new, click on the word 32-bit value and type TCP no delay, click on enter, open it up and type 1 into the value data box. Now click on OK, and the next step is to click on MSMQ, right click on it, click on new, key, and type parameters. And click on enter. Now open the parameters folder, right click somewhere in it, click on new, the word 32-bit value, and type TCP no delay again, click on enter, open it up, and type 1 into the value data box. Click on OK, and you can now close the registry editor. The next step is to click on the search bar and type CMD. Right click on it, click on run as administrator, click on OK, yes, and now what you want to do is type net sh int ip reset.txt, click on enter, then type net sh winsock reset and click on enter again, then type net sh adv firewall reset and click on enter again, and once you're done, what you want to do is just close the command prompt. And the last step for this tutorial is to go ahead and right click on the Wi-Fi icon in the bottom right corner, click on open network and internet settings, click on change adapter options, right click on Wi-Fi, click on properties. Now go ahead and click on Internet Protocol version 4 and click on properties again. Select the use the following DNS server addresses and type 8888 in the preferred DNS server and type 8844 in the alternate DNS server. Once you're done, click on OK, click on close, and you can now close the network connections and the settings. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and like this video if it helped. Also comment NoPink in the comment section down below and you'll get a NoPink free trial code for you to try out. Thanks for watching and bye.